Hi, good morning from the mountains of Western North Carolina. So I don't know about you, but I have heard this so many times. Success leaves clues. And I was listening to Jim Rohn and Lisa Nichols and Robert Hollis and my mentor, Bo Tipton, and everyone says this phrase. So it started me to go through this path, and I thought I would share it with you so it all makes more sense too. I'm Ariel. There have been so many times in my life as an entrepreneur that I've created options and I've started the success, yet somehow they just didn't bloom. And you might have also had that experience. I don't know if you have or not. But what I'm starting to see is, and tell me if this makes sense to you, I'd really like to hear. So below. If my success is merely based on luck, well, then I'm out of luck for sure, because luck is not sustainable or duplicatable. And luck might be quite welcomed, but it's just not going to do the work. If I can outline the system that got me to the success and momentum, then I can see the trajectory and possibility. So I started thinking, okay, let's go back. Let's take those steps back that started success and see what that really looks like. And I know for me, the very first clue was that first step. That was really huge for me. Stepping into the thought and then diving into action. It was so powerful and eye-opening. I couldn't believe the changes that happened so quickly by just, I'm going to start this action. So that was clue number one. Hey, Letitia and Diane, thanks so much for being here. My second clue is the action that I am committed to. So I had to define what is that action, and then writing it down, knowing it, learning it, and just doing it. And the third one was huge. Mindset. How am I thinking about this process and enjoying, empowering myself, and learning all I can? Because, as Jim Rohn said, if you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. So that's number one. Read, learn, change your thinking. The fourth clue is the action steps to the system that I'm following. So what are they? And how did I do them? And did I teach my team the duplication process so that it all became clues that built the business? And so what are the action steps? The fifth clue is really huge too, because it's consistency. And no matter if it becomes drudgery after a while, I still have to do it, whether I want to or not. And it doesn't mean, which is what I'm learning, do it for 3 days and then don't do it for 6 days. It means at least 5 days per week, consistently, no reason, no excuses, just do it. The sixth clue I figured out is patience. And you know, we live in a world of instant gratification where we're told, just work on this for 2 days and you'll make $1 million. And I'm like, really? When in reality, everything takes loads of time and patience and commitment, consistency, and diligent persistence. So from our customers taking their time to make a decision, to building our own fan base on social media, to truly step by step building our business, know that it's going to take time, that that person who looks like they were an instant success, it probably took them 2 to 5 to 10 years to get to where they are. And my last clue that I really figured out was its commitment to persistence and the decision that no matter what, I will reach my goal and I won't stop until then. So it's the decision to step in and do it and not stopping until you get to your goal. So when you find yourself having the success that you want, track it, truly, write it down, see the steps. That way you always know it was not luck. You did it. You made it happen, because success leaves clues. And celebrate yourself that you did make it happen. So those are the 7 steps to success leaves clues. And if you're ready to step into your success, I have a business in health and wellness that might be just what you're looking for to change your life, so that no longer will you just have success clues, but you really step into being successful. Thanks everyone for being here.